Sleeping problems or sleep disorders leads to stress, disturbance in work, affects relationships, and even keeps your mood off. A quality sleep is important for everyone to feel refreshed every day and do works on good mood. If you have any sleep related problem, then do comment down. To have a nice sleep and to solve all your sleep problems, use Mystiq Living Deep Sleep Roll-On. A proprietary combination of cedarwood, chamomile and lavender provides a relaxing aroma with its warm and sweet fragrance. Therapeutic properties of chamomile and lavender unwinds the mind and helps for a deep relaxing sleep. It helps in insomnia, regulates sleep cycle and improves quality sleep. Roll on over wrist, neck area and temples. Apply it on the bottom of the feet. Inhale the aroma deeply. Click on the link given in the description box to get this. To know more, visit mystiqliving.com. Do like, comment and subscribe to our channel.